Hi everybody, it's Hailey, and today I'm going to be making the Reese's Easter egg peanut butter cups at home. These are really popular right now. I've seen a lot of people like remaking them, and I really wanted to try it. So let's get started. First, in a bowl here, I have 1 cup of peanut butter, and then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of honey, or you can use maple syrup. And then I also have a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Doop, doop, doop. But if you don't have coconut oil, I think any vegetable oil would be fine. And then I'm also gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Bloop. And I'm gonna mix that all together. Ooh, it's so sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. All right, then next I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup plus 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. But if you don't have this, you can also use regular flour, but you just have to heat treat it first. So you microwave it for a minute, and then I really recommend like sifting it because it can get clumpy when you microwave it. But yeah, you have to heat treat it because flour is not safe to eat raw. And then we're also gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt. And stir that in. Alright, then I'm going to take some plastic wrap and cover my bowl up and refrigerate this for 30 minutes so it can get harder. It's like a liquidy mess right now. Okay, I'm back with my peanut butter mixture. I ended up having to put it in the freezer because it was not hard enough. It was still very sticky. So I'm using a cookie scoop to scoop out little balls of the peanut butter mixture, but you totally don't have to. You can just use a spoon. And then I'm gonna place it down on the baking sheet and just flatten it out to be like an egg shape as best as you can. And now I'm gonna stick these in the freezer for, I think, 20 minutes so that they're nice and hard. Okay, my peanut butter eggs are done chilling and I think they're ready. They're nice and solid. So what I have here in this bowl is 1 cup of chocolate chips that I melted with 1 teaspoon of oil. This is what it should look like. Just like runny, but not super liquidy. So now we're gonna cover our peanut butter eggs. So what you're gonna do is take one, put it in here, and I'm just going to dip it in the chocolate really, and then sort of lift it out. Oh boy, and try to drip off the excess. And then place it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. I don't know why I'm talking in a British accent right now, sorry. Okay, I finished my normal chocolate ones. I'll show you those later. And now I thought it would be fun to do some like colorful ones. So I have white chocolate here. And this is actually almond bark, which I think is supposed to be easier to use than just like white chocolate chips for melting, because sometimes white chocolate can be really finicky. And so you want about 1/2 cup of white chocolate. I used 2 blocks. I'm not actually sure if that's the correct amount. And then a teaspoon of coconut oil again, and I heated it up for 30 seconds and then stirred it around a little and then heated it up for 30 seconds, and it was mostly melted, but then I had to stir it to make it completely melt. And so I'm gonna cover the rest of my eggs with the white chocolate and then do some rainbow sprinkles on top. And there you have it, homemade Reese's peanut butter cup Easter eggs. Okay, that's totally not what they're called. I'm probably gonna stick these back in the freezer just so that the chocolate will finish hardening, but I really want to try one first, so. So good. It tastes just like a Reese's. I don't know. I feel like it's maybe the coconut flour. It gives it like the graininess that it normally has. So good. Oh my gosh. So there may be a lot of chilling time involved, but other than that, these are super easy to make. It's not a lot of steps, and you can make them at home anytime you want. You don't have to buy them from the store. I always prefer things homemade. I just feel better saying that I made it myself. Anyway, thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope you have a wonderful Easter. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any special Easter traditions or Passover traditions or foods that you like to make for Easter. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell if you want to know every time I post a new video. I'm so sorry, I have chocolate hands right now, but I will see you next time. Bye!